In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch Netflix with Google Meet. This is a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite shows and movies with friends or family, even if you're physically apart. To get started, all you'll need is access to Google Meet and a Netflix account. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Google Meet by opening up a web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This is going to prompt you to log in with your Google account. Make sure that the account you choose has the necessary permissions for starting and hosting a meeting. After selecting your account, you'll need to type in your password and click Next. Be sure to double check your password entries to avoid any hiccups during the login process. Once you're successfully logged in, you're ready to set up your meeting. Look for the option that says New Meeting. When you click on this, Google Meet will present several options, and you'll want to select Start an Instant Meeting. This is the quickest way to get started without scheduling anything in advance. As your meeting starts, you'll see an Add Others option on the screen. Click on this and a dialog box will open, allowing you to type in the names or email addresses of the guests you want to invite to watch Netflix together. Google Meet will provide suggestions based on your contacts, which can help speed up the process. Once you've entered the emails, hit Send Email to dispatch the invitations. Your guests will receive a link to join your Google Meet session directly from their inboxes. It's a good idea to give them a heads up to check their emails if they're not responding immediately. With your meeting set up and your guests invited, now it's time to share your screen. Look for the Share Screen button at the bottom of your Google Meet browser window. Clicking this will bring up a pop-up window showing different sharing options such as a Chrome tab, an entire window, or your entire screen. For the best experience and to ensure that the audio from Netflix is shared seamlessly, select the Netflix tab. Don't forget to click on the Share button and make sure to toggle on Also Share Tab Audio. This ensures that everyone in the meeting not only sees what you're watching, but hears it too. And there you have it. You're now sharing Netflix on Google Meet. From this point on, you can enjoy movies and series in sync with your friends or family no matter where they are. That's everything you need to start watching Netflix with your loved ones through Google Meet. With just a few clicks, you've turned a simple virtual meeting into a shared entertainment experience. Enjoy your viewing party